Reading the Proclamation of the Philippine Independence. When June 12, 1898, a pivotal moment that ended 333 years of Spanish colonization, where Kawit, Cavite, Philippines, where the declaration was formally read. General Emilio Aguinaldo led the declaration. Ambrosio Rianzares Bautista wrote the 2,000 words documents. Historical context: Spanish colonial rule for over three countries, Spain dominated the Philippines, establishing political, economic, and cultural control. Abuse and inequalities. Filipino faced economic explosion, political opposition, and cultural separation. Rising nationalism. The late 19th century saw a surge in Filipinos' nationalism with reform movement and calls for independence. Philippine Revolution. The revolution ignited by the Katipunan aimed to overthrow Spanish rule. Spanish-American War. The conflict created an opportunity for Filipinos to declare independence as Spanish power weakened. Key element of the declaration. Grievances. The document lists abuse including arbitrary arrest, harsh treatment by the civil guard, and unjust deportation. Vision for the future. It outlined a vision for a new government under Emilio Aguinaldo and hinted at U.S. involvement. Assertion of sovereignty. The proclamation declared the Filipino a free and independent nation, ending Spanish colonial rule. Aftermath and significance. First Filipino Republic. The proclamation led to the establishment of the First Philippine Republic with Emilio Aguinaldo as president. Philippine-American War. Conflict with the U.S. resulted in American colonization, delaying full sovereignty. Enduring legacy. The proclamation remains a symbol of freedom, national pride, and the ongoing struggle for self-determination. Analysis of the Proclamation of the Philippine Independence. The Proclamation of the Philippines Independence, declared on June 12, 1898 in Kawit, Cavite, marks a turning point in Philippine history. It signified the end of more than 3 centuries of Spanish colonial rule and the emergence of the First Philippine Republic under President Emilio Aguinaldo. Analyzing this proclamation involves understanding its historical context, content, and long-term impact. Historical context. The proclamation was not a sudden event but the result of a long-standing desire for freedom. Several factors contribute to its declaration. Spanish colonial rule. For over 300 years, the Philippines was under Spanish rule, which significantly impacted the archipelago's culture, religion, and governance. The Spanish established a uncontrolled government focused on extracting resources, leading to exploitation of the indigenous population. Emergence of the Filipino nationalism. In the late 19th century, a growing sense of national identity fueled calls for independence from Filipino intellectual and the middle class. The Katipunan, a secret revolutionary society founded in 1892, played a crucial role of mobilizing Filipino for rebellion. Spanish-American War. The outbreak of the Spanish-American War in April 1898 altered the power dynamic. Emilio Aguinaldo returned to the Philippines with American support, seeing an opportunity to achieve independence with potential American backing. Philippine Revolution. Triggered by escalating tensions, the revolution aimed to overthrow Spanish rule. Andres Bonifacio and Emilio Aguinaldo were prominent leaders in this fight. Revolutionary sentiment. The proclamation reflects the revolutionary sentiment of the time by detailing the injustice suffered under Spanish rule. It mentioned arbitrary arrest, harsh treatment by the civil guard, and instances of extrajudicial killing. The document also highlights unjust deportation and the unequal application of the law, favoring the Spanish elite over Filipino. Legacy. The proclamation of the Philippine independence remained a potent symbol of national identity and struggle for self-determination. It is commemorated annually on June 12th, serving as a reminder of a sacrifice made and the ongoing pursuit of freedom and sovereignty. Western ideals. The proclamation language and structure reflect the influence of Western democratic ideals, particularly those in the American Declaration of Independence. The emphasis on natural rights, self-governance, and the right of revolution mirrors Enlightenment thought. Lack of global recognition. Despite its powerful message, the proclamation lacked full global recognition, and the United States, having defeated Spain, soon asserted its control over the Philippines. The subsequent Philippine-American War further complicated the international recognition of the First Philippine Republic. The proclamation of the Philippines' independence symbolized Filipino aspirations for self-determination. However, achieving and securing international recognition of independence proved complex due to global power dynamic and competing arrest.